Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view unused apps in Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your unused apps on your phone in Play Store, guys, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the first option that says manage apps and devices. Tap on manage apps and device and you land on this interface again. Now we'll be required to tap on the first option that says no harmful apps found. Tap on no harmful apps found, and when we get inside this Play Protect, tap on the settings button at the top right corner of the screen, or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, and again you land over here where at the bottom of the screen you can see the permissions for unused apps. Tap on permission for unused apps over here, and when this loads, guys, all of your unused apps which you had last opened more than 6 months ago, or if an app is unused for a few months, it will be located or shown to you over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to view unused apps in Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.